Hey fellas, it's 18:10 local time at the Yacht Harbor of Wiesbaden City. Beautiful sunny today. And there's activity. People are busy. There's a little bit of wind. About 5 miles, 8 miles an hour maximum. And we moving towards the sundown in about, I think it's an hour and 40. I haven't checked the details about the time when it's official sundown. I'm sorry for that. Ooh. So, and YFUG, hey everyone. I was just taking Bumblebee out for an easy ride around. No racing, no speeding. Oh, look at the sailboat. The sailboat right there. Let me zoom that for you. Oh, you can see it. I got the sun in my face. I don't see much on the display. You should see that good. Look at the sky and the Great Mountains of Frauenstein. It's right there. Look at this beautiful boat. Wow. And I love that sail mast. I mean, you know what Uncle Gunther would do, huh? Yeah, you can bet. That would be a wire antenna on board. My shorty end fed. Perfect antenna. And the ICOM 7200 down in the cabin. And yeah, I probably need the RF choke because of RFI maybe. Let me check my bank account if there's some money. I want to buy a boat. HI. I mean, I really would like to. But with the boat, you need to have a place for the boat. Like a parking lot, like a garage, like a storage, you know. There's another boat. How gorgeous. Yeah, and to find a place for your boat up here, quite pricey. So that isn't for me. Plus, you need to have a license. You need to have a license to sail the water. That's nothing big, you know. It's just about learning. Studying the book, it's the same thing like ham radio. When you're studying to pass your license test, to get your ticket. Okay, blah blah blah, Gunther, blah blah blah. Hey everyone, I'll let you go for now. Want to ride around for a little bit? Let me see what is going on. I can hear some noise. There's more boats around. 3, 4 sailor boats. Okay, let's get to the Dickerhoff Bridge. I'll take you to the Dickerhoff Bridge. We can see everything much better. There's 4, 5, 6 boats, 7 boats, 8 boats. Hallelujah. I'll be right back, folks. Stay with me. Wow. You know what makes me wonder? I expected more people to be around, more pedestrians. I mean, even if it is Wednesday before 7 o'clock p.m. and some of the people are still at work or coming home from work, usually around that time there's a lot of people around. But not today. I gotta share the Yacht Harbor Pond, the basin with you. A lot of boating, canoeing, kayaking. One sailboat, two sailboats. And right behind the curve, that's where I came from before, there is another 3 or 4 just patrolling in circles. Wow. Right up there, a little bit on the left-hand side from the castle. A little bit on the left-hand side. There's Frauenstein and the Grape Hills and the Grape Mountains. I could video record this for hours and hours and hours without getting tired. Sail away with someone's daughter. Better save your women and children first. Out on the Yacht Harbor in the sunset. Gunther, it's all good. We know you are a funny dude. That's what I am. That's the real me, uncensored. (1822). Don't throw your cell phone in the water, Gunther. That happened to me one time in my life. Up on Big Bear Lake, California. I never forget, I had my Motorola, what was it, 710 cell phone with a Sprint Nextel SIM card. Oh man, that's long ago. And that was happening on a Sunday when I went up on Big Bear Mountain. There was a rock. There have been a lot of huge rocks, you know, and people were jumping from one rock to the next, you know. and I don't know why that was happening. Just, out of my mind maybe. Oh, I tried to make a photo. Now I remember. And I kind of bent my foot a little bit over, and then the phone fell in the water. It was gone. One more last impressions. On Wednesday, May 3rd, at Wiesbaden Yacht Harbor, DK5 OND and Bumblebee. There's Tamara coming back. Tamara, the Rhine River taxi. Let's wait on Tamara. Won't take long. Maybe. I'm sorry for my shaky hands. Come on, Tamara, show up. Is she coming around? Normally she's coming around that way, and then I can see her already, just right there. There she is, the Rhine River taxi. Ah, she's docking on the pier over there, somewhere over there. She's still doing a great job in over 40 years. I think she started her business in, I believe my uncle said it was in 1976 or 1975, so go figure how many years that is. I gotta ask him one more time. I want to know this exactly, or just check Google Wikipedia. Wiesbaden Yacht Harbor. There should be some information about Tamara, the Rhine River taxi, the shuttle bus of the river. Hey, believe me or not, believe it or not, I could do this for hours. I love to do that. I love to be here, and I love to share all the beautiful things, with people in the world, with my ham radio fellas, or with just some other people who are coming across my YouTube channel. Okay, let's capture this one. Okay, enough of that beauty. My fingers are already, they kind of fall asleep. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I mean that from all of my heart. I really appreciate that. I hope you're having a great time. watching the good stuff that Uncle Gunther is sharing with you. Okay? I'm going for a quick ride down to Lower Waldorf, maybe for two more miles, and then I'm going to cross the main street on the other side, and I'm not going to take a ride up to Frauenstein. I just go all the way to Schierstein, back to B Bridge, and thinking about to have something to eat. With this I'm saying 7-3. Happy mid of the weekday. Hold on. And a very happy Thursday morning into the countries on the other continent, which are ahead, way ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Happy Thursday morning to you. I mean, that depends on wherever you may be.